Okay, just a quick video of my Marantz 6200. I actually re-veneered everything with real wood veneer. I still have to put on the nameplate if you want it put on, or I can just include it. The desk cover is in pretty good shape. Couple swirls, not bad, no cracks. There is a few marks on the centerpiece, as you can see, a little scratched up. It's got pitch control. This is an automatic turntable, but you can operate it in semi-automatic mode as well. So I'll just put on a record and give you an idea of what this thing sounds like and how it operates. So somewhere I have the 45 adapter as well. So you can select 7, 10, and 12, 12 being a 33 1/3. You can see manual. It actually has a repeat mode, which is pretty cool. The record will keep playing. A reject button, cue up and down. It works pretty well. So we'll just do automatic mode. And it moves slowly to the record. This is not a great quality record, but see the pitch control. They work, 45, 33. You can put another head shell back there. I'll lower this a little bit. I'll just show you how the auto return works. We'll see if we get it towards the end of the record. And this is the cue down. It's been dampened. Actually, let's do the reject button so I can show you how that works. And what will happen is it'll return and then it shuts off automatically. You see the strobe went off. One more time with, again, operating it manually, so we can get to the end of the record. Close there. All right, cue down. And we'll adjust the pitch here actually a little bit so you can see it works. It's the bottom one. Pretty steady. The bright works in good condition. And again, you'll see how once it hits the run out, it'll auto return. Drop down, and it'll shut off. That's it. Hope you liked the video.